Do you know how to make money online? Whether you are looking to make some extra money or tired of your 9-to-5 job and looking for something else, you may have been thinking about making money online. That's a good place to look because there are tons of opportunities. We will look at just a few ways you can make money online. Become a software developer. If you know how to make software, then why not start developing plugins or software? Plugins for Blogger and WordPress remain hot. You can always use forums to find out what bloggers are in need of and then develop it and market it. You can also get work as a software developer on many of the freelancer sites. Do data entry. Did you know that Google pays people to enter basic data about businesses and take photos? Do you know how many businesses there are in your town or city? Build a forum. Forums are one of the most visited types of websites. We are social animals by nature, and so it should be no surprise that forums are so popular. You can build your own forum around an area that you are passionate about. It's a great opportunity for a smart entrepreneur. Promote your forum on other forums by creating posts that grab the attention of visitors. Create an area that is closed off, that requires a small fee to become a member and gain access. For example, if you run a gaming forum, you could have an elite room that only paid members have access to. Answer questions. Every one of us has expertise in something, and that means you can be an expert. Find your something, your area of expertise, and use what you know to offer answers along with advice to others who are not familiar with your area of expertise. Do this on a paid site and you can make money. Software review. Some websites, such as Software Judge, pay users for using and then reviewing the software they have available in their collection. Writing detailed reviews that are honest will increase your earnings significantly. Amazon Mechanical Turk. This is one of the largest micro-freelancing websites out there, with millions of people around the world earning extra money by doing simple tasks that machines or computers cannot do. This could be as simple as differentiating text and pictures, transcribing an audio file, or rewriting a sentence. While tasks don't often pay a lot, it's a good option to earn some extra money whenever you have a few extra hours. This is a pretty broad spectrum list, so it gives you a pretty good idea of just how broad your options are. We hope you found this information helpful in your quest to earn money online. If so, please give this video a big ol' like, and consider subscribing to the channel. We upload new, how to make money content, regularly, so you don't want to miss it. Before you go, be sure to download your free copy of our report, 20 Ways to Make Money Online. Check out the link in the description to this video to grab your report, as well as other links to how to make money online offers. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.